Good afternoon. Myself, Vaidya Rohit Bardake. I am an Ayurvedic practitioner here in Bombay. I am practicing in Mulund. Today I am here to give a talk on in Ayurveda. We'll go through the basics. The Astra means blood and Vistruti means removing it out of the body. So Astra Vistruti. This is the main heading for today. It is a general term which can be applied to various procedures of bloodletting such as venesection or application of leeches. There are different ways of removing blood from unwanted blood from the body. It could be by using a scalp vein or by using a leech. So why we do it and how to do it is I'll talk about. First we'll know what blood is. Blood is a major part in the formation of various organs in the intrauterine life. Almost all the organs are derived from the fetal blood. Example, the skin is derived from the slow conversion of blood. So any impurities in the blood, we can see it reflects on the skin in the form of skin disease. So blood is a very important part. It is connected with the blood, connected with the skin, because in the fetal life, the formation of skin takes place by the slow conversion of blood. So they are interrelated. Second is cecum. It is formed from the waste part of the blood, and the intestines, kidneys, bladder, testes are formed from the clear part. So all these organs are connected directly with the blood. The formation in the intrauterine life, when the fetus is in the stomach of into the stomach, this is how the organs are formed. So what does that mean? If there is anything going wrong with the blood, then all these organs could be affected. Like if the blood is impure, it could affect the skin, it could affect the cecum, it could affect the intestines, kidneys, bladder, testes. All this could be affected if the blood is impure in the body. What are the qualities of blood? One is Visra. Visra is a peculiar disagreeable smell due to Prithvi Mahabhut into it. Our whole body is made up of Pancha Mahabhut, as we all know. Prithvi, Jal, Tej, Vayu and Akash. So blood is formed of Pancha Mahabhut again. One is Visra Gun, which indicates Prithvi Mahabhut into it. Dravata or fluidity and body temperature is due to the Jala Mahabhut into it. Raga, a peculiar red color, due to Agni Mahabhut into it. Spanda or pulsation due to the Vayu Mahabhut into it, and Laghuta or lightness due to the Akash Mahabhut into it. So this is the Panchabhautika Tattva of blood. Each organ can be divided into Panchamahabhutas in such way. So blood, when not contaminated, is bright red, but when it is vitiated, it exhibits various colors and altered behavior. So normally what happens when we are doing this procedure of bloodletting or removing the impure blood from the body, the normal tendency of body is to throw the impure blood first whenever there is any opening into the body. Whether you put a syringe or whether you apply a leech or whether there is any injury. First tendency of body is to throw the impure blood from the body. So that is why bloodletting is very important procedure as per Ayurvedic treatments. And when we see the blood which is removed, the color of the